Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying exactly where your photos live and why that matters. Different sources use different restore methods. Connect to the same account and make sure you have enough free space on your device. If you don't, delete temporary files or add an SD card. Once done, plug into power and a reliable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions. Then open the backup app or File Explorer and sign in. This starts the authentication needed to access the archived images. Now you choose what to restore and why that choice matters. Full library if you want everything, or specific albums to save time and space. Select originals when you need full resolution or optimized copies to conserve storage. Initiate the transfer and watch the progress. If possible, use a wired connection for large transfers to prevent timeouts. As files arrive, verify file names, dates, and folder structure so your restored photos remain organized and searchable on your device. Finish by confirming integrity and accessibility. Open a sample of images, check EXIF dates, and ensure albums match expectations. If thumbnails or previews are missing, force a gallery reindex or rebuild cache. This often resolves display-only problems. If some photos failed, try restoring a small batch to isolate corrupt files and use checksums to compare original versus restored sizes. If you still hit errors, pause, review error messages, and then consult device logs before repeating. This saves time and prevents repeating the same failed restore.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.